Hello, everyone. A few months ago, I had made a video, actually several months ago, maybe five months or so ago, I had made a video showing how to install the tank lights and the ROP lights. So today, I'm making a video on how to repair my ROP lights. I had mentioned this in my 8-month review video that I backed into a tree and it bent up the bracket here. So I'm starting to see why Bad Boy, again, in that video about 5 months ago, Bad Boy recommends mounting this underneath here. But I didn't want to do that because I keep my romps down 99% of the time. And I thought that it might be too close to the exhaust, and I didn't want to cause problems. So I went 8 months without hitting a tree, so I guess that's good. But yeah, I messed around, hit a tree. The light is fine, just the bracket is shifted, and the light is shifted. So I did reach out to Bad Boy, and they had given me a part number to get the bracket. I told them I need the hardware. And I had ordered it, and they said it's going to be like 7 or 8 days, and then I wind up going to one of their partner sites. I think it's Bad Boy Online, something. I'll put it in the description. But it's one of their partner sites, and they actually had a picture. And when I saw the picture, basically it was just these two brackets and this U-bolt or U, whatever you want to call it. And it was not these. So I called back to Bad Boy and I confirmed this, like, yes. So these brackets are part of the light assembly. They're not part of the hardware. So I thought I was stuck, and I thought I'd be doing a video of me trying to bend this back straight. But then I went to Amazon, and I was able to find the brackets for less than $10. And it came in, and I'll put the link for that bracket, but I'll show you. So in order to fix this, we need a 3/16. We need also a 1/2 inch for the big bolt. And this is the kit. Again, I'll put it in the description. But so this is the new bracket. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. Just a minute here. So it comes with new brackets and the screws. I don't really need the screws. I think these are different screws anyway. Yeah, these are different. So I'm gonna use what I have. So also it has these new bumpers. I don't think mine are destroyed, so I'm gonna reuse it, just the brackets. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mount this camera, and I'm gonna go and take these eight bolts out from the sides. This should free the light up, and then I'll proceed to take these brackets off and then put the new bracket on. I'm gonna take a look at this one. This one don't look like it's bent too much. If it's not, I may leave it and just replace the one. But I'll be right back. So maybe you can see a little better the damage I did on this bracket. So this one's pretty bent over. This one's bent a little bit. I'm gonna swap them both out. This one's shifted as well. So again, I'll put you on time lapse. I'm gonna take these off, and I'm gonna install the new one, and be right back. Yeah, so they both were bent. This one's bent too, shifted over to the side. So put this over here. So what I have to do now, like I said, the piece on the light should be fine. I just have to realign it. See, like this one's way over. So I have to, well, show you this way. So this one's way over. So I have to realign these and then tighten them up. So let me do that. Get my measuring tape out, make sure it's symmetric, and then tighten it up, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so what I did is I tightened this bolt up down here, tightened both of these bolts up here. Those are the 9/16, or actually this is a 1/2. Then I had to put these bolts in to kind of keep it straight, and I just tightened the outer one to keep it from sliding. Then I had to take this 732, loosen up this piece right here on both sides to try to even it out. Then I took, where did I put my tape measure? I put it over here. Then I took my tape measure and I lined it up from the bracket to about this inside edge right here. It's a little over 1 inch on both sides. So yeah, so it's good enough for me. So I'll see if I can do some of this with one hand. So I have to take this 732 and tighten these back up. And if I'm not mistaken, this is I had it all the way up like this because when I set it up, it's going to lean down. If I push it back, well, let's see. Let's test this out. Let's see. Just a minute. So let's put this up. Yeah, that's where I want it to be. I think that's good right there. All right, so I'll tighten up the other bolts. Put this back in. All right, so now take this, tighten this side all the way up, tighten this one all the way up. Okay, to this side. To this side. All right. And to do the insides, you kind of have to have these because those don't work and they won't fit. So I try to tighten this up as much as possible. And I have to go in like that. Same with the bottom one. Let's see if I can get a good angle. Tighten this up. Now we do the other side. Good thing I am ambidextrous, so I can hold the camera and do it with my left hand. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it's fixed. At first I thought I was stuck. I didn't know if I can get the brackets. Then when I thought I can get the brackets, it wasn't the right brackets. So then I thought I was stuck again, having to possibly try to straighten these out. Which I guess I could have, but you know, they probably never go back the way they were. And then yesterday I went on Amazon and was looking for brackets, and I happened upon these, and they're the same brackets. And we're all better now. So that's it. This one's not a long one. Be careful. I've since went out and cut a bunch of limbs so that I can ride with the ROPS up. I'll see if I want to do that. But it's fixed. It's now level again, and hopefully there's no more issues. If you like what you see, hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'm always making videos about this Renegade and other things associated to it. So, you know, if you like these videos and you want to see them in the future, it'd be nice if you subscribe. And I always welcome comments. I look forward to the comments. And I thank you for watching. Take care.